want to thank each and everyone for you for subscribing, for following me, and hopefully YBS. Teka lang, Anika, don't talk. So, video nga, sorry. So, for our year-ender episode, we have 2025. Tangina mo, Corinthians, let's do a pool. Sorry, pamura na ako. Grabe talaga. So before we start, since this will be our last episode, YVS is here with us, obviously, taking our shots, doing the editing. Thank you again for the sponsorship. This will be our third episode with YVS, and we want to make sure that we have a very special car for you. At swerte, pinahiram tayo ng mga kaibigan natin ng freshly unit na GR Yaris 2025. This is a Gen 2. So before we start, I want to thank each and every one of you for following and for subscribing to our channel. If you're a loyal subscriber, thank you so much. I wasn't able to hit that 5,000 mark sana supposedly this year. Right now, I think we are 4,700. So, but it's okay. Soon, next year, marami pa tayong pinaplano together. Especially now with YVS, with us, collaborating with us. So, mas marami tayong coaching mapapakita sa inyo. Better editing, better shooting, and better cars to check for all of us. So, yun lang. Again, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Very excited for this episode kasi nga, Toyota Yaris, talagang trip na trip po tong coaching to, as you have known. Minimension ko lagi. That's why very happy na may kaibigan tayo na nagpahiram ng bagong-bagong unit na Yaris Gen 2. This car only has 200 kilometers. Kaya hiya kami ni Jan. Lalagyan namin ng kilometers ngayong araw to, no? Pero konti lang naman. Pero again, it's very new. It's brand new. So, very fresh yung unit. From the outside, sabi nila itong Yaris, itong Gen 2 na to, total overhaul from the outside and from the inside. So as I was seeing or checking the pictures of the older models, yung mga bago ito, ang layo nga naman, especially sa front. Kung makikita nyo, they made it very aerodynamic. Yung bumpers natin, bigger vents na. Yan. Tapos sa likod din, ginawa na nilang wider body, tapos same with the aerodynamics. So, in-improve nila yung styling from the outside. So, this car, I think, only has 4 colors. No? What we have here is the Super White 2, kung di ako nagkakamali. Then, we have the Red Elemental. We also have the Black one, Precious Black ba tawag doon or something. And I think my favorite would be the Precious Metal. Pero kung gusto mo ng mga colors na yan, I think you need to add like 20,000 pa para to get the color na gano'n, no? So this one is the Super White. Looks very good. I don't know, somehow nakikita ko parang medyo mukhang Type R yung kulay niya sa Honda, no? Pero maganda naman. So the styling from the outside is very aggressive, as you can see. It's a very small car, 3-door, hatchback. Pero in person, napakaganda ng wide body niya. No, sa panahon ngayon, ang uso talaga mga wide body. Even sa yung mga nagmo-mods na mga kotse, no? Liberty Walk, etc. Sila Carbon Zone, wide body. Ito, from the stock, makakuha mo na siyang wide body. And while driving this car, sa side mirror, makikita mo yung likod niya, yung wide body sa likod. Napakaganda lang. And you can feel yung lapad niya when driving the car. So from the outside, it's actually very simple. May DRL na rin yan. Pero aggressive styling. So comparing again with the older models, this one is better. They made it better for the aero, for the performance also. So the focus of the engineers when building this car was the performance. So loaded na loaded to ng performance. Kung titignan nyo naman, very simple lang. The roof, carbon to make it lighter. Ang carbon yan, Lodi. So magaan. And then meron tayong dual exhaust pipe. Siyempre, this is a sport variant. And GR4. So meaning, all wheels are turning. So lahat ng power napupunta sa gulong na 4, which makes it very special. Ito yung parang signature nila dyan, the GR4. The all-wheel drive system, no? Yung mags, pinalitan lang nung may-ari. Ang stock nito, impressive din, very big. R18, so malaking size na mags, na low profile na gulong, 225 ang stock. Pero this one, 18 pa rin siya. Pero ginawa na may-ari, mas tinabaan niya. Naka 265 ata. This is, I think, Rota, na for export lang, not for domestic market. So itong Rota na to, for export only, sabi niya. More mods coming, sabi ng may-ari, our friend, ibababa niya ata ng konti. So may lowering spring na coming, i-install niya. But for me, no, kahit ganyang height, okay na. Kasi rally naman siya eh. Rally inspired eh. So, from the outside, yun lang naman. So right now, what we're gonna do with YVS, with Derek Jan, punta tayo ng Oliver's Coffee. It's in Green Hills. Mag-coffee lang kami. It's already 6 o'clock. So siguro kain na rin kami doon. Let's check the place. Kasi may kotse din sa loob doon. So pakita na rin natin yung place sa inyo. And see you there. Drive tayo. I forgot pala, before we go to Oliver's Coffee, sa Green Hills yun. Yung engine pala, no, pakita natin sa inyo. Why will you buy a GR Yaris is because of the powertrain. This one, this guy. 3-cylinder, 1.6 liter engine, turbo. Yan, our favorite word, tayong lahat, no? Turbo. Sa panahon ngayon talaga, lahat turbo. So, improved horsepower, this Gen 2, comparing with the older models. Parang yung luma ata, mga 250 horsepower lang siya. This one has 275 and 390 torque, Newton meters of torque. So, ang lakas nun, ang laking improvement nun, coming from the previous model. Tapos, in-improve din nila, I believe, yung cooling system niya. Ito yata, meron ng spray, water spray. Kasi nga rally, di ba? Mga evolution, di ba? May gano'n yung may water spray. Pag umiinit na intercooler, meron siyang button sa loob which you can activate and mag-spray siya ng water sa intercooler. And, hindi sa oil cooler, sa intercooler. Pero dual spray yun. So, this engine, dinadivert na yung power, all 4 wheels, kasi nga GR4, no? So, why will you buy again this car is because of this one. So, very little engine pero very powerful. Tapos, ilalagay mo siya sa body na to na hatch, sobrang liit. This car only weighs about more or less 1 ton, no? 1 ton lang weight. Tapos, with the 275 horsepower, really makes a difference. When driving this car, na-drive na kasi namin kanina, talagang ang sarap lang i-drive, feel mo yung power, raw na raw. And walang lag, actually. So, let's head over to Oliver's and driving shots tayo, and yung interior pag-usapan natin sa loob. For you guys of the Yaris, syempre push start, here's the key. Ayan, key. Ganda, oh. Ganda na sumasalubong sa yung screen, no? So very busy sa screen, digital, it's all digital. Parang BMW no? So you can see a lot is happening. Very, very sporty. Yes, 230 kilometers. Ayun, no? So, nakakahiya sa may-ari, to our friend. So far, nakaka 10 kilometers na kami. So, another 10 pabalik sa bahay nila. We just got this car a while ago, driving, ramp. Tapos, huli ulit mamaya para lang ma-videohan natin, no? So, again, to our friend, thank you so much for lending us this precious car. So, welcome to the interior of the GR4. Beautiful interior. Pinakagusto ko, yung upuan. Super love the seats. Parang Recaro ang itsura. Naka-suede na leather. Malaki, comfortable. It's not, sakto lang yung size. Pero hindi naman siya masikip. But it's malambot. And medyo sturdy. So, kung nasa truck ka, kung tinatrack mo yung auto, okay naman. So, pwede pang daily yung upuan niya, no? That's one thing, and I love the badging sa likod ng headrest natin, which screams GR. So, Gazoo Racing, Toyota, no? So, as mentioned a while ago, the engineers of this car, for this generation, they made sure na to overhaul the system, or sa interior, sa labas, ang dami nilang pinalitan. Aggressive styling, Sa loob din, ganun ginawa. So when I was looking at the pictures yung mga mas lumang models ng GR Yaris, oo nga naman, mas maraming a lot is happening right now compared with the previous model. So the focus of the engineers when building this car or designing this car was all about the driver, no? So yun ang gusto nila. Gusto nila mas madaliin ang buhay ng driver ng GR Yaris. So driver focus. So meaning lahat ng nakikita mo dito, it has something to do with the driver. So unang-una yung nandito, lahat ng buttons na nakikita nyo dyan, nilagay nila specific yung position para reachable sa driver. Ito nga naman yung hazard yan. Abot ko lahat. Tama ka naman. Tapos we have the 7-inch display here. Yung radyo niya, parang nakasama na sa buong dash dito. Yung dati kasi parang nakalabas pa. Parang aftermarket na Android pa yung itsura lang Pero this one, parang buo na siya. Tapos yung we have this gauge cluster here na mas malaki. I believe ito 12-incher to. Tapos everything is digital. Ang ganda ng gauge, grabe. Yung we have the turbo, nakikita mo yung pressure ng turbo boost, the trip distance, syempre lahat. Everything is digital. Merong gusto ko merong temperature sa engine, yung cold temp ba. I hate kasi guys yung mga kotseng walang temperature, yung hindi nila din i-display. Ayoko nang ganun kasi hindi mo nalalaman no? Kung ano yung status ng engine mo, mainit ba or nag-overheat ka na ba or hindi, di ba? So this one meron nilabas nila. So good job doon. So one also my favorite is yung design ng aircon vents, yung pabilog. Gusto ko yung ganyang design It looks very tough rather than the traditional blades, di ba? Yung blades madaling masira yun Woo! Ang lakas! Grabe, all four wheels are turning. Kanina pa kami tawa ng tawa ni Jan because we can feel the power of the car. So, 3-cylinder lang yan, pero ang gaan kasi ng auto, it only weighs about a ton. 1 ton lang yan, more or less. So, kaya-kaya ng engine. If you want that power, it will give it to you. Hatakin ka sa upuan mo, ibabaon ka sa upuan mo, no? So, again, the interior is designed for the driver. So, parang dito ang feeling ko, I'm driving the car, obviously. Para akong piloto. So, it gives you the feeling that it's a fighter jet, yung sa cockpit niya. So even this one, they improve yung the rear camera. Tinaas daw nila yan kasi sabi nila, the previous model, nag-hit daw sa mata mo yung rear view mirror. Pero ito, hindi na, sakto na siya. So they did a lot with this car. Talagang nag-focus sila sa driver. Galing! And you can see it talaga when you're driving the car. It's so easy. Everything is so easy. So much performance of this car. Pero the drive feel, very, very driver-friendly. Pwede sa asawa mo, kayang-kaya ng asawa mo. Hindi yung nakakatakot, kasi di ba yung ibang kotse na supercar ba to dyan? Hindi naman siguro supercar, no? Performance car. Yung mga performance car kasi na iba minsan, nakakatakot i-drive, di ba? Because of that, so much power, you feel it when yung nagda-drive ka, tapos minsan parang hindi kaya ng body ng kotse. Pero ito, everything is perfect. Yung power niya, parang kayang-kaya ng body. Ang gaan talaga ng body. The hatchback, no? And, nga pala, ito pala ang pinalit nila sa Starlet when I was reading the other night. Ako, I'm a fan of the Starlet. Lahat ng model, luma. But my favorite would be the mid-90s or mid-90s, mga 93, 94. Yung Starlet na yun, gustong-gusto ko yung itsura nun. So ito pala yung pinalit nila sa Yaris. Ay, sa Starlet noon, the Yaris. So nakakatuwa lang. So galing pala siya doon. Kaya yung itsura niya, medyo similar hatch. So yun. We are headed to Oliver Cafe. EDSA tayo. It's Friday. It's crazy. It's the first week of December. Naglabasa na yata lahat ng 13-month pay. Everyone is out. And kanina pa lang, traffic na kami ni Jan. So, look here sa Corinthians, ang ganda. This is my favorite when December hits. All the lightings, no? Dinedecor nila. Another pala note that I forgot to mention, why will you buy this car? is the transmission. Diba dyan, pag Yaris GR, isipin mo, dapat manual. They do have the manual. Kaya nga, manual. Ako rin dati. Manual, dapat manual. Kasi Yaris yan, sport yan, rally yan. They have the 6-speed manual. Ang presyo noon nasa mga about 3.4 million, something, mga ganon. Pero, when I was reading din again pala, when I got more information about the car, one of the focus pala ng engineers din is yung automatic transmission. Ito, this one. The one that we have. Ang tawag nila dito, it has the 8-speed automatic transmission, the DSA, Direct Shift Auto. So, sabi nga nila, mas ano pa raw to, mas nagpe-perform kaysa sa manual. So, that's one thing, no? Talagang it will make your eyebrows raise. So, bakit? So, medyo advanced technology ang ginamit nila dito sa transmission na to natin. Parang nagse-self-adapt daw. Galing. May software daw yan. So, the changing of gears will adapt to your driving habits. Yung pag-brake mo, yung pag-gas mo ng specific driver, nag-a-adapt daw ng sarili yung transmission niya. So, which makes the car more efficient, the power delivery. No? And, it has the rev match, sabi nung may-ari. So, sasaluhin niya yung rev when shifting para to avoid that lag. Meron din to. So, very advanced. For a very simple car, kung titingnan mo, it's simple. Sa labas, wala kang makikita. Sa loob, wala ka rin naman masyadong makikita. We are in Corinthians. Let's do a pool. Puta, ina. Sorry, pamura na naman ako. Pero grabe talaga. The G-Force. Ramdam mo yun dyan? Grabe, parang roller. Ha? Kaya nga. Puta, isa pa. Ah! Damn! May paddle shift, oh. At saka naka-normal mode lang tayo, hindi pa tayo naka-sport mode. Pag naka-sport mode, mas aggressive yung throttle, syempre. Tapos lalabas yung, di ba, huwag na, later na. Pag nag-sport mode ka, magiging Lamborghini style yung gauge mo. May digital rev na lalabas. Tapos maririnig mo, mas maingay siya. Galing! Galing lang talaga. I can see the value of this car. So especially ngayon, puro hybrid na, papunta na ron sa electric. It's the time to buy this car. Right now, kung bibili ka nito, the automatic 3.5. If you want the other colors like the precious metal, the black, the elemental red, add ka lang ng 20k, kuha mo na yun. So but any color, you know, this car is a future classic, I believe. Tsaka raw na raw pa siya. Ang sarap i-drive, ang dali i-drive, at ang sarap dalin. It's very fun. Pwedeng daily, itong automatic Pwede mong gamitin sa work. Madali siya i-park since maliit siya. Pwede pang atid ng bata. Kasya sila sa likod. Kanina umupo na ako sa likod. Kasya ako. Chinek lang namin ni Jan. It's a 4-seater. So maluwag ang spacing sa loob ni Biron. Actually, yun yung first thing na na-notice namin ni Derek Jan a while ago when we got the car. Sabi namin, ang luwag maluwag sa loob. So, galing lang. No? So, alright. We are in EDSA. So, I hope na-cover ko lahat dito sa loob, sa interior natin. It's a very nice car. It's a very beautiful car. Oo. I understand why people will like this. 3.5 the automatic. Yung 3.4 for the manual, 6-speed. Ito, 8-speed. Tapos meron siya mga drive modes sa 4-wheel drive system niya. Merong stock, kanina tinry ko tapos may gravel pa kung kailangan off-road. So siguro mas mag-stiff. O nga pala yung ride niya, sorry, I forgot. Medyo stiff ng konti, no? Mararamdaman mo, medyo matigas yung suspension niya. And sinadya yun ng engineers kasi nga, it's all about the performance of this car. Yun ang focus talaga nila. So, ang galing lang talaga. Talagang you can feel the difference. Pero at the same time, pwede pa daily kung gusto mo. No? Plus being a Toyota, confident ka na hindi siya masisira. So again, it only has 200 kilometers. Nakakaya lagyan ng kilometers. Pero pinayagan naman tayo. So at least may na-feature tayong Yaris for this year. So December na, probably ito ma-upload ko to last week ng December. So again, thank you YVS who's doing the shooting and the editing for us for this episode. It's our third episode. So you guys seem to enjoy yung bagong format na ginagawa natin from time to time, not all the time. Kung may special na car lang or events, yan, I try to invite YBS para to showcase his skills also and to give you a better experience. So, siguro see you later sa Oliver Coffee. Medyo traffic lang in EDSA. Finally made it here in Green Hills. Guys, the traffic is so bad today. December, first week ng December, Christmas 13 month is out. Everybody is out. It's Friday. Naubos kaming dalawa dyan sa traffic. Kanina pala umaga kasi kanina lang din namin kinuha yung kotse. Siyempre, hiniram lang naman natin to. Kanina after lunch. Then, punta sa bahay to shoot. Nakapagod lang, nakaka-drain. Na-drain lang kaming dalawa, no? So, the energy levels are quite low. Buti na lang maganda tong auto natin. That's what keeping us up, the energy. Because I'm driving a Yaris GR4. No? So anyway, malapit na tayo sa Oliver's Coffee. Magdi-dinner na kami doon ni Derek at we're hungry. And para makita nyo rin yung itsura ng cafe. Kasi as I've said before, ito na yung uso ngayon, cars and coffee. Coffee shop. O may kotse sa loob ng mga kapihan, no? So again, the car culture is booming, is getting very, very strong here in the Philippines. Everybody loves cars at it's growing. So, maganda minsan, mapakita namin yung mga pwede nating tambayan, tayong mga car guys or girls. Alright, see you sa cafe. Yan, so we are here. Petron, Green Hills. Nandito lang katapat niya, Green Hills. Because Oliver's Coffee, ay naku, nakasara. Sa Petron may-ari. So, I believe sa anak ni RSA, ang Oliver's Coffee. Ayan, may mga parking. So, mukhang wala pa masyadong tao. So, papark tayo. Yan, bibigyan naman tayo dyan. Kasi, parking slot ni Oliver's yan. At maganda ang kotse natin. So, kahit naman normal car, bibigyan kayo ng slot dyan. So, don't worry. Again, parking this thing. Yun lang, yung problema ko sa likod. Kasi hatch. So, medyo yung visibility ko sa likod, konti. Pero buti, may screen siya, rear camera. Which makes life easier. Merong bench katabi. And, yan. Like a glove. Madali naman siya i-park. Thank you. Okay. Let's have coffee. And siguro dinner. Tingnan natin. First time ko kakain dyan. Dalawa lang? Saan pwede? Kahit saan? Ganda na naka-display
5 push.
Ha?
12.8.
Kailan din-display to?
Last Sunday lang po.
Last Sunday lang. Tapos gaano katagal siya?
I think 1 month po.
1 month?
Depende po.
Normally ganun?
Yes po, normal.
Ang ganda. Wagon. Mahal yan. M5 po. Sige. Kahit saan
Sir, pwede po.
Okay, sige. Thank you. Date tayo direct. Ganda place, no? Video lang kami,
May I get you something to drink po, sir?
Ha?
May I get you something to drink?
Mag-aisa Amerikano ako, ikaw. Dalawa.
2 ice.
Ay, sa Amerikano ka rin? Sumososyal ka. Okay, yun muna.
Ice make, sir.
Thank you.
Pag-picture mo, sir.
Maganda vibe, di ba? Medyo social. Ano ba yung napuntahan nating isa? Carrera Cafe. Yung Carrera Cafe kasi medyo sporty, medyo motorsport feel siya, di ba? Ito iba. Medyo cafe din, pero may pagka-fine dining na kote. Ang ganda ng kotse. Tangina. Pakita mo yung kotse? Touring. Touring. Pero dito sa atin, wagon. M5. Beautiful car. Lahat ng car guy gusto yan. Sabi sa'yo, mga naka-display dito, if not Porsche, BMW, mostly. Ganda. Tsaka maganda, walang tao. Tayo lang. So, we ordered pasta. So, meron naman sila mga meals. May steak pa nga. May fried chicken, pasta. Marami silang drinks. Mga cocktails, alcoholic beverage. Yan. Siyempre, coffee. So you can eat here. Pwede, you can have a full meal here, lunch, or dinner, even breakfast, I think. Yan. Kamusta araw? It's been a long day. Talagang napagod kami dalawa ni Derek. Because we got the car mga after lunch dun sa friend namin. Tapos we had to drive it back sa bahay to prepare for the shoot. Then shoot natin. And then buti na lang talaga maganda yung Yaris na GR4 na yun. It's a hell of a machine. Ang sarap i-drive talaga. Talagang driver friendly and the performance is there. You can feel it. So I understand why everybody wants that car, no? So, ikaw ba, Direk? Kamusta ka? Ubos? Ubos na ubos, eh. Tapos, dito, sa Oliver's nga, ang ganda nung naka-display. We have the Touring M5 or the wagon, yan, no? Pakitaan mo nga. Oh, shit. Diba? Solid car. Mamaya, ikutan natin ng konti para mas makita nyo. Pero, off the bat, I think yan, yung kotseng yan, it's a V8 twin turbo na hybrid, so all-in-one. May electric power, may V8 block na malaki, merong twin turbo sa lahat na nandun. I think this car has about almost 800 horsepower. Ang lala nitong kotseng to, it's a touring. Tapos price tag, I think, of this one is about 12 million. At least. No? Ganda na kotse. Pag yan ang kotse ko, Brad, dyan ako titira. Sobrang ganda. Anyway, mag-dinner lang kami ni Derek, tapos let's finish off the vlog. Right? So I had the lasagna. Sobrang panalo ng lasagna. Solid, value for money. So, let's head out. Silipin muna natin tong touring na to. Thank you. This awesome touring. Pakita mo, maganda dito sa Oliver. Rotating yung floor. So it gives you the full view of the car. Ganda, no? Ano, game ka? 12M? G? V8? Ay, thank you. Naiwan ko susi. Ha? So, again, no? V8, twin turbo, hybrid, lahat-lahat, kompleto. Tira mo, ito yung hybrid niya. Saksakan. May saksakan siya dito. Tapos yung gas tank sa likod. So, beautiful specimen. Very happy nakita ko. First time ko nakita in person actually. Ganda ng harap, no? 12. More or less. Ha? Bayaran natin. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Ayan, no? So, thank you, Oliver's Coffee. We enjoyed the car. We enjoyed the place. Sarap ng food actually, nagulat ako. Panalo yung lasagna niya. Yung sa'yo ba? Panalo yung sa'yo? Lobat na lobat si Derek eh, no? Anyway, nalobat talaga kami ngayong araw dahil grabe ang traffic. Pero tapusin na namin yung vlog. Baka umaba na naman. So, very happy with this GR4 Yaris Gen 2. Thanks to our friend. Kilala mo na kung sino ka for lending us your car. Soli na namin. So, balik na kami sa bahay mo. And once again, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. This is our year-ender car. So, thank you, YVS is with us. Kung hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe, please help me out. Subscribe na kayo. And sa channel ni YVS, please subscribe na kayo dun sa channel niya. Because we are collaborating. And next year, we have more cars to feature. Kung special cars, I'll try to invite YVS para cinematic approach. Yun, I'm excited for this episode kasi maganda ang editing natin, yung equipments na ginamit namin, makabago ngayon. And the shooting, the editing, everything professionally done. So, thank you so much for watching. Final look of the car, isang ikot lang. Before we head for 2026. So, 2025, thank you so much. We are 4,700 strong or close to 700 strong. Very happy for today. Naka-drive tayo ng GR Yaris 4. So, thanks for watching.
Two different levels, I cannot relate.